Well, drafting standards in many countries specify a frame around the presentation of CAD drawings. And if we click on this one here, you can see there's a frame around this drawing. What is useful, because you don't always want that frame to show and it tends to clutter things up, its aim is to say, if I want to refer to this trampoline that's here, I could say you'd find the trampoline at 3B, the intersection of 3 and B, and that will lead the viewer to that particular point. There are other ways to do that. But what I want to illustrate is that there are times when you might want to turn off that frame. And what I've done here, let me just turn on the layers. I have put the frame on a layer called L Sheet Border, and now I'm going to turn it off. And you'll be left just with the logo down in the corner down here for the overview. And for many purposes, hiding that frame can help your client understand and work with the drawing a little bit easier. Well, I think the team at Haga Design here have come out with a much more elegant solution to overcome that particular problem. So we've turned off that frame that goes around the design, but what they've done, if we go to a layout tab called Overview, and you see what's happened is that individual sheets, let's look at number 3, layout sheets are being formed covering all parts of the design. So we can get to and then print off detailed information about that zone 3. If we come down here, we should be able to go straight to that zone. I'll just zoom extend. So there we are. We've turned off the border. If we wanted to, for some reason, that frame could be turned on. Type LA to bring up the layer again, and so we could jump in there and have the frame back on. But of course the frame will come and will now show on all sheets, including that overview one there.